the beach bar, jamming, cruising, barbecuing, drinking, smoking till it's dark. We will have so much fun cruising with each other. When we party island style, we respect one another. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Island style cruising. Upon us as we go down to the dance hall. Check out Ho'onua jamming. Yes, these brothers know how. Can you believe what a merry weekend we've had, my friend? What would you give up for it to be Friday again?